Mounting and assembly. The Leigh box joint and Beehive jig, model B975, is a simple, easy-to-use jig for making 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch box joints. Before using the box joint and Beehive jig, you will need to make a simple beam. The jig template, which has a 1/2 inch side and a 3/4 inch side, is attached to the top of the beam. The 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch side stop assemblies are attached to each side of the beam. We recommend using 2 pieces of 3/4 inch MDF glued together to make the beam. A standard 2x4 with the edges squared off may also be used. Positioning ridges are located on the underside of the template. With the positioning ridges against the beam, the template is centered and the screw hole locations are marked. Location marks for side stop positioning are then added. The side stops are set in position and the screw holes are marked. A drill press or hand drill is used to drill pilot holes in the beam. The template is aligned with the pilot holes and the beam is secured in place with the provided screws. The side stop assemblies are then secured to the beam. To prevent tear out of your good material, grooves should be routed into each side of the beam. A 9 3/4 inch wide piece of stock is used to aid in routing the grooves. The bit depth is set at 3/4 inch. Routing is then done straight in and out of each template opening, through the board and into the beam. The other end of the board is used to route the grooves in the 1/2 inch side of the beam. You now have a groove routed in each template opening. The beam and jig are ready to use. For use on a router table, handles must be added for safe operation. For more information on the box joint and Beehive jig, visit leighjigs.com. All Leigh products carry a full 5-year warranty. Leigh products are available worldwide through our network of dealers and distributors.